Hi, and welcome to A Girl, Her Dog, and RV's restaurant review of Redfish Willie's Waterfront Grill. This is located in Aransas Pass. It's about 20 or 25 minutes from my condo in Rockport, Lainie's Dockside Paradise. And I just happened to come upon this restaurant. I was in Aransas Pass at Lowe's with my parents, and we got hungry after we did our shopping and just wanted to eat some seafood by the water, and this did not disappoint. We enjoyed people watching. The drinks were good, the food was good. They do allow pets. That was a plus for us. And we sat outside and just enjoyed the sun, the light breeze. Well, it was a little bit more than light that day. But this building is actually a very small building. It has has four garage doors that open, or they can close them if it's too windy or if it's raining. But most people were sitting outside, either under the small pavilion, which is where we ate, or you could sit along this area to the left there. You can watch the boats coming in and out and people coming and going. As I said, they do allow pets to be outside. They do provide water as well, so that was really nice. One thing I did not like is this little seating area. People were smoking, so that wasn't good for me. But I went inside to check out the bar, and they had some really cute things. And look at these drinks. I mean, the bar was really neat. It had a lot of fishing, vintage fishing gear and things like that. So lots to look at. People were super friendly. And here, as you could see, my parents are seated outside underneath the pavilion, enjoying their food. Now let's talk about the food. I did take a menu for the condo, so you should find that in the kitchen area. But on their website, they do not have a menu. It says coming soon. But I will tell you that my dad had the fried grouper with French fries. Loved it. My mother had the fish sandwich, and she cannot say enough good things about it. She's like, Lainie, it was toasted and buttered on both sides. I had the goat cheese salad, and that was also very delicious. And last but not least, the bathrooms. The bathrooms are located outside, away from the main building, but I went in and there was 2 or 3 stalls available and very clean. I think you will also like Redfish Willie's Waterfront Grill. Enjoy!